everyone, my name is Revana Julieti. Today I want to talk about one of the most famous and delicious traditional from dishes from Jakarta. I will be discussing ketoprak, a symphony of flavors that serves as both a culinary identity and the heartbeat of life for the people of Jakarta. Indonesia is renowned for its culinary diversity, and ketoprak is a perfect example of how simple ingredients can create extraordinary flavors. For those who might not know, ketoprak consists of fried tofu, lontong comprises rice cake, rice vermicelli, and bean sprouts. What makes it truly special is the savory peanut sauce, which is ground manually on a wooden plate right before it is served. There is a unique story behind its name. Some say ketoprak is an abbreviation of its sounds and ingredients: ke for ketupat, to for tofu, and prak for the sound of the garlic being crushed or ground geprek. This shows that Indonesian food is not just about taste but also about the art of its preparations. This uniqueness is what makes ketoprak a very personal meal for everyone who enjoys it. Ketoprak is a dish for everyone. You can find in a luxury hotel, but the most authentic flavor often comes from street vendors with their wooden carts. It is healthy, delicious, and very affordable. In conclusion, ketoprak is more than just street food. It is a part of Jakarta identity. Throughout this we can see how simple local ingredients can bring people together. If you haven't tried it yet, ketoprak should go find a ketoprak cart today. Thank you. Hello everyone. Now I would like to present the second part of my project about sequence at verbs. Grammar focus, a comprehensive guide to using sequence markers in everyday communication. What are sequence adverbs? Definitions: word used to describe the order in which things happen. They help make intrusions or stories clear. The big four: 1. First or firstly. 2. Next. 3. After that. 4. Finally or lastly. The big four adverbs. 1. First, used for the very first action. 2. Next, indicates the immediate next step. 3. After that, used to describe an action occurring after another, often used to connect two events. 4. Finally, marks the end of the process, starting the sequence. Use first or first of all to introduce the very first step. Example: first, prepare the ingredients. Continue the flow, next, and then. These adverbs act as bridge between steps. Next usually implies something happens immediately after, while then is more general. They are interchangeable. Example: next, heat the oil, then fry the garlic. Transitioning after that, used to move from one major action to another. Example: after that, pour the sauce into the pan. Closing the sequence. Finally, used for the very last step of the process. Example: finally serve the food on a plate. Punctuation rules. Always use a comma after a sequence efforts at the beginning of a sentence. Correct. First was the rice. Incorrect. First was the rice. Practical practice. How to make coffee. First, put the coffee in the cup. 2. Then add hot water. 3. Next, stir it well. 4. Finally, enjoy your drink. Conclusion and closing. Summary sequence efforts are the glue that hold a process together. Thank you for listening.